lemon. We needed things is 2 glass, lemon, salt and spoon and some water. First, we take 2 glass filled with water. 1 glass of them add some salt. Add 2 lemons into the glass. You see that 1 lemon is float and another was sink, because therefore is the sink or floating of any object depend on the different density of object, and liquid or lemon sink in normal water but floating in salty water, because the density of any object depend on the different in density of the object, and liquid or lemon sink in normal water but float in salty water, because the density of salt water is more than the normal water. Density of normal water 9 gram cm3. Density of salty water 1.2 gram cm3. Thank you.
आता बघू शकता मी याच्यात प्रेस करून कागद घातलाय.